I'm so sorry I'm late. I had to walk the whole way here. It took me almost 2 hours. I couldn't get in the car. The truth is, I haven't ridden in a car for years.
That's all right. You made it here and that's what matters. Come in, please. Have a seat. I think we might have just found the main topic for today's session. By the way, what's your name?
Mara.
It's good to meet you, Mara. Would you like to tell me what happens when you think about getting into a car?
It's hard to explain. My body reacts before I can even think. My chest tightens, my legs go weak, and I feel like I can't breathe. Even if I know I'm safe, even if I see that I'm safe, it doesn't matter. My body just panics. The last time I was in a car, there was an accident. We were hit from the side. The sound, that metal hitting metal, it stuck in my head. I broke my leg. And for weeks I thought I'd never walk again. My leg healed, but my mind didn't. Every time I hear an engine, it's like I'm back there again. The screeching tires, the smell of smoke, the silence after. It's like time stops and I'm frozen inside that 1 second.
That's completely understandable, Mara. What you're describing is called a trauma loop. It's when your body replays a moment of danger because it hasn't learned that it's over yet. Your brain is trying to protect you, but it doesn't realize the threat is in the past.
So I'm not crazy?
Not at all. You're human, or rather a very human elephant. Your body remembers what your mind is trying to forget. There's a saying in trauma therapy, the body keeps the score. Your body learned to associate cars with danger. Now, even when there's no crash, it sounds the alarm, just in case.
Yeah, that alarm goes off a lot. Loud noises, screeching brakes, even someone closing a door too fast. I jump, and I hate that about myself.
It's okay to hate the fear, but don't hate yourself for having it. That reaction is your body saying, I never want that pain again. It's a sign of love twisted into protection. Let's start teaching your body that the danger has passed. The first tool is grounding breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6. And as you breathe, tell yourself, I'm here. I'm safe. This is now.
Okay, how do I do that? My chest still hurts a little, but it's lighter.
That's progress. You see, healing trauma isn't about never being triggered again. It's about shortening the time between fear and calm.
So it's not about being fearless. It's about coming back faster?
Exactly. That's called recovery time. Every time you practice, your body learns. The danger is gone. I survived. Let's try another technique. Anchoring. Find something solid around you. Something real.
Your desk. It's cold, smooth, solid. It doesn't move.
Perfect. Focus on it. Describe it to yourself whenever panic hits. This helps your brain return to the present. PTSD tries to pull you backward. Anchoring pulls you home.
Okay, that actually feels grounding. Like the world isn't spinning so fast anymore.
Good. Next, we'll build something new. Your safe place. Close your eyes and imagine a space where you feel completely secure. It could be a memory or a place you wish existed.
I see a wide field. The sun's warm, no cars. Just wind in the grass. It feels calm.
Beautiful. Every time fear visits, you can visit this place instead. Your mind can't be in danger and safety at the same time. So give it somewhere safe to rest.
It's strange. I haven't felt calm like this in years.
That calm is yours, Mara. It's always been there. Trauma just made you forget where to find it. Now, let's talk about the future. When you're ready, we'll start graded exposure. Small steps back toward what scares you. Not to force you, but to prove to your body that you're in control again.
You mean, like getting near a car?
Exactly, but only when you choose. You could start by standing next to a parked one, just breathing. Later, maybe touch it. Eventually, you'll sit inside. Not to drive, just to exist in that space safely again. Every step tells your brain, see, I'm okay.
For so long, I've been avoiding it. Crossing the street when I hear engines, changing routes, making excuses. But maybe I'm tired of being afraid.
That's where healing begins, and when courage gets louder than fear, every calm breath is you reclaiming your life.
Thank you, doctor. I didn't think I could ever talk about it without shaking. But now, it feels like maybe the road ahead isn't so scary.
That's the spirit, Mara. Healing isn't forgetting what happened. It's remembering it without pain. Trauma teaches the body to run. Recovery teaches it to rest. And every step you take forward is proof that survival was never the end. It was the beginning.